As the Mustang's getting closer and closer, it's time to get caught up on work on this fine piece of shit right here, because I really would like to pull my, honestly, it's not, I really would like to, whether the truck's ready or not, I'm pulling my Mustang to the track with it. Hopefully it just makes it there and back. This thing has had a distributor problem for a while. I don't know if you can see that, but the vacuum advance is advancing a little too much in my opinion. Before we repair the distributor, I'm going to show you guys how it's running right now as is. Just zapped the shit out of myself. Fuck, my teeth hurt. Fuck was banging around. Probably just broke fan shroud. Dick. Oh, asshole. When you hear something thumping around, right, and you unplug your coil wire, make sure you don't grab your damn bull bar. Turned it off because first I thought it was a miss, but nope. It's a zip-tied fan shroud hitting. Don't know why it would do that. I got this distributor from Bronco Graveyard. It's not a sponsored video yet. Looks pretty good. Oh. Alright, got a lot of that shit out of there. So here's a better look at the old one. OEM from Ford. And this is the new one I picked up from Bronco Graveyard. They look identical actually. So let's get this gear greased up, drop it in, and see how she does. Match it up with marks. And if you do this right, it should just drop right in. Got the cap on. Everything should be good to go. Let's fire her up. Hopefully she just starts right up and I didn't screw nothing up. Timing's a wee bit off.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, that does it. As you can see, this carburetor is leaking pretty heavily, so I called O'Reilly's to have it in tomorrow for 22 bucks. So we're gonna rip that carburetor off here tomorrow and get that thing rebuilt. I absolutely love the distributor from Bronco Graveyard. It's like an exact fit. It looks a lot better, and the vacuum advance isn't broken. What was going on with this thing, and this has been this way for years, this vacuum advance is broken, so this was stuck. So like when you'd hit the gas, like it wouldn't change the timing at all. Keep in mind, there's a few little things that still need, you know, done, like the carburetor needs rebuilt, and the EGR definitely is getting deleted, and I need to reroute some vacuum lines. But as soon as that's done, this bad boy's getting mufflers. Quiet you to hell down. And then I'm gonna pull up to the racetrack in style with this Bronco. So thank you guys for watching Hood Billy Garage. Come back tomorrow when I rebuild this carburetor. Bitch. Corvette. Man, that thing just looks so much better. I can't believe you still have this thing. I ain't heard this thing run in years. What about you? It's been a minute. How long's it been sitting over here? 3 what? Years? Some oil.
See that? Took the oil.
She'll need new hinges. All right, that's for certain. Aiden also brought your favorite starting fluid
From 19? 19?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
This thing was so fucking mean back in the day. For all the beans, John. No fucking way, dude. Oh, shit. Woo! Shit, I missed it. 3 fucking years this thing has not moved. Is that old vape juice? That's dirty. He traded this thing when we were like 17 for some Blazer that we paid like 250 bucks for. God damn, that's seen a little sun.
My God.
Now we have to get this backed up and somehow through there. Be a wee bit tight. Kick the shit out of it, why don't you? Huh? One of these days I'm gonna have to convince Caden to like get some doors and a fender, a back glass, you know, the necessities of driving around. Moment of truth. Yeah. First drive in like 3 years. Alright, so what's the plan now?
Auto parts store, brake fluid, because they didn't have any.
Shit, okay. Stay tuned for part 2.